And I am live! Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Ako po si Beth Carion, ang inyong lingkod, Coach Beth, from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And I'm coming to you live right now. Oh my gosh. For this new year, Happy New Year, everybody. I decided to create some episodes for this channel, if you may call it. And I wanted to inspire more moms like me and to share my story, my journey. And yes, that's why I'm making this live. So I'm planning to do this series, series of 30 days sharing or mom talk with me. Hello, kamusta po kayo? I hope gumagana ang aking mga mic. Let me double check lang po ha. Okay, let me see kung ako ay live right now. Okay, live ako. Hello everybody. So hello moms. Again, I'm Beth Carion po. I help women, mostly moms, earn an income online. Okay, so this is our quick 10 to 15 minute space where we talk about mom life, mindset, and building an online business while raising a family. Thank you for being here. I see meron na tayong ngayon, viewer. And to those of you who are gonna watch the replay, please comment down below where you are tuning in from, or if you have comments, suggestions, questions, something like that. Okay? So, this mom talk again is for moms who love their kids deeply, of course. But sometimes we feel tired, right? Stretched and quietly wondering, is there more for me? Right? Sometimes iniisip natin, meron pa bang iba? May iba pa bang way? Not because you are ungrateful, but because you are human. You know, being a mom, sabi ko nga, nung naging nanay ako, mas dun ko naintindihan yung mama ko, kung bakit niya ginagawa yung mga bagay na ginagawa niya. And here I am trying my best and trying to be the best mom that I could be and trying to still pursue my dreams, right? So, just to share with you my story before I start this series of Mom Talk for the next 30 days, just to share with you my journey. Okay? Magkape po tayo. Ako yung nagkakape habang nagla-live. So, I didn't start my online business kasi confident ako agad-agad. At hindi din ako tech savvy. I was not tech savvy. So, ngayon nga medyo nagwo-worry pa ako kung tama ba 'tong ginawa ko. Wait lang. Okay, I think tama naman yung ginawa ko. Pero parang hindi masyadong maganda yung lighting ko. So, pagbigyan niyo na po. But anyway, I really started this business because I was a mom. As I've said, nung naging nanay ako, the way I look at life shifted. So parang nagbago talaga lahat because when I was single, I started working when I was 19 years old. Nakagraduate ako at the age of 19 years old. I was working ever since then and I was a career woman. I'm an animal nutritionist by profession and became a job quitter because of this online business. Job quitter at the age of 36. But then, hindi because that is all because of this business. I'm so grateful because I found this business opportunity 5 years ago. But during that time, going back 5 years ago, I found this business opportunity through an ad of a complete stranger. And of course, I was skeptic because hindi ko siya kakilala. But then my desire to change my life during that time was stronger talaga. And I started because I was a mom. Kumbaga, hindi lang sarili ko yung iniisip ko. I need to focus on my kids as well. You know, ayoko sila na lumaki na hindi ko sila nasubaybayan. So, yun yung main reason ko kung why I started in this business. During that time, I was on my maternity leave. 2 months old pa lang nun si Victoria. Victoria was just 2 months old during that time. And Marcos was just 4, turning 5 years old. And I was thinking, sabi ko, pag bumalik ako sa trabaho, of course, yung mga anak ko kailangan kong dalhin sa daycare, right? And I need to prepare something that I can run while I'm being a mom to my kids. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ako tech savvy, wala akong alam sa business. It's my first time to run a business. I didn't have an experience running an online business. But when I found this business opportunity, all the things that I need were there. Parang it's a package, it's a franchise, so everything that you need were there. So sabi ko, nakita ko sa online community na thousands of people are doing the business, moms like me. Grabe, super mahiyain din po ako and na-develop na lang yung confidence because of the things that I've learned from this business. But of course, during that time, sabi ko kailangan kong lakasan yung loob ko because I need to prepare for the future of my kids. Right? I wanted more time with them. I wanted options. I wanted to build something without taking away from my family. I wanted time and flexibility. Yun talaga yung mga gusto ko kasi ang sakit-sakit sa puso ko nung si Marcos pa lang yung mag-isa na dinadala namin siya sa daycare. Tapos alam mo yung nangayayat siya because hindi siya sanay sa daycare. So, kumbaga parang sabi ko, ayokong mangyari yun din yun kay Tori or I mean, hangga't maliit pa sila, I need to build something new. So, that's why I started this business. It's all because I was a mom, a heart of a mom, wanting to have more flexibility, right? So, I was scared looking back during that time, I was so scared. But tingnan nyo naman ngayon, I'm a job quitter na, all glory to God. After 3 years from the day I started in the business, I became a job quitter. And the lessons that I learned during those years, 5 years ko na pong niraran ang business, is that wanting more doesn't mean you're not grateful. Actually, si Lord, binigay niya sa'yo ang dream na yan because you have the capacity to fulfill it. You know, all you have to do is to dream and to work for it and to take action. It means you are listening to the part of you that still wants to grow, to provide more for your family, to achieve your dreams. And as a mom, we're allowed to build something for our family and for ourselves as well. You know, sabi ko, nung bata ako, pangarap ko talagang yumaman. You know, I really wanted to be rich. But then, along the way, habang ako ay nagkakaedad, tumatanda, doon ko nare-realize na being a full-time employee pala is not enough for you to be rich. Yung rich na pangarap ko is to be a millionaire, right? So, I realized that starting a business that will enable me to become rich. Because the reason why I wanted to be rich was because I want flexibility. I want to help more my family. I want to have more choices. You know, yung hindi ka lang ba nakadepende sa isang stream of income. Right? So, mommies, if my story resonates with you, I know there are doubts in yourself. Sometimes we are scared. Most of the time we're scared like how's gonna be. I don't know how it works. We only need to take one simple step, one step at a time, simple action at a time, and unti-unting until all of a sudden after a few years makikita mo your change have turned na, your life have turned na, right? Yung change na pinapangarap mo, na pinagdadasal mo, natupad na, alam mo yon. That's because you took the risk, you know? You took the risk for your family, you took the risk for yourself, so you have more options, right? So you don't have to figure it all out in one go. You don't need to. You just need to be honest with yourself, and if you are really, alam mo yun na, serious to for a change. Because during that time, ayaw din ng asawa ko. My husband was skeptic. But then, ako, matigas yung ulo ko because sabi ko, I cannot do this forever. I wanted flexibility. I cannot send my kids to the daycare until such time na lumaki na sila, and then na-miss ko na yung pagkabata nila, you know? Parang, yun yung ang sakit sa puso. But, all glory to God because yung pagiging matigas na ulo ko, nagkabunga, right? So, I became a job quitter and because of this business. And I'm so grateful. That's why I'm in my team. I try my best to help my team, to help mostly moms like me, because I can totally relate to the heart of moms, right? So, to those moms who are like nakaka-relate sa akin, right? Thank you for spending 10 minutes with me, for tuning in right now. Tomorrow, it's gonna be another topic, but for this one, I wanted to share with you something special. Alam mo yun, I mean, a piece of me, why I started this business. So, if you are someone like me who wants change, and of course, you are coachable, or if you think that you wanted something more for yourself and for your family, I'm here to guide you. I'm here to help you, to share information with you. Okay, send me a message or comment down below if you want to learn what I do, or if you have questions, or only if you, oh, kahit na you just wanted to say hi, just say hi, and that's it. Okay, so I'm here for you. My name is Coach Beth again, Beth Carrion, and I'm happy to guide you. And this is my final reminder for everybody. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to have everything figured out. All you have to do is to take one simple step, or kahit saan man, kung may pangarap ka, simulan mo ngayon. If you plan to do something, start now, because that simple step, that one change in your life can change the course of your future, right? So, yun lang po, everybody. Thank you very much for tuning in, and God bless you all. Bye-bye, and have a great one. Keep warm to all the people from Canada, especially dito sa amin sa Winnipeg. Kanina, I think it's -29. So, keep warm, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. God bless. Bye-bye. See you again tomorrow.